Effective communication is the best way to build the team as an effective unit. This is why next we have Messenger, the easy-to-use GuardsPro mobile app to explore. Using it, you can connect and collaborate effortlessly with other guards and admins. Let's get started and understand how it works. You'll find the Messenger in the sub-menu of the app next to the time clock. When you tap on it, you'll be taken to the Messenger page. Depending on the settings enabled by your admin, you can either see the list of chats available for you to reply to, only view, or initiate chat by tapping on the plus sign. Assuming you have the ability to initiate a chat, you can start a new post-site chat, create a group chat, or chat one-to-one with other guards. The post-site chat allows you to select a post site, while in a group chat you have the option to skip selecting post site. Once that's done, you can add a group name and multiple members to start chatting. You can also leave the group if you want to. In one-on-one chat, you can simply select a user you want to chat with and initiate it. All these chats can be viewed and revisited for more information under Messenger. If you have any more questions, please feel free to contact our support team anytime.